nasa ano ka na, Vogue feature
Yeah,
story.
yeah. It's always such, it's like every little girl's or teenager's dream come true. Of course, you would just read through the pages of Vogue before, and now you're getting featured, you're doing work with them. So it's always such an honor for me, and it always brings me so much excitement kasi iba din yung creativity ng fashion world nila and the concepts that they come up with. I love that I get to play around. So yeah, it's always nice to do something new with them.
Ann, sorry to ask kasi matagal ka namin hindi nakakausap. Yung nangyari nung March, pwede magkwento ka rin kahit konti nung nagkaroon ng giyera tapos yung family mo. Yeah.
It was a very terrifying experience, I would have to say. Actually, nasa aeroplano na ako noon, palipit na ng Dubai. Halfway there na kami. Nung biglang nag-announce yung pilot that we should buckle up kasi the plane will be returning to Milan. Buti na lang merong Filipino stewardess. Sabi ko, ano pa nangyari? Sabi niya, meron pong airstrike in Dubai. Yung heart ko talaga nag-drop kasi kakalanding lang ng family ko. Air One Italia. So, diba nakakapraning talaga siya eh. And then, it was chaos in the airport kasi all the flights were getting canceled. Hindi talaga. So I was finding every way possible to reach them. Na parang sinasabi nila, meet mo na lang sa Manila. Sabi ko, hindi ganun yun. Gagawa ako ng paraan, makarating ako ng Dubai or whatever. But Air One had heard news that the border was still open to enter Oman. So, doon kami nagkita at nakagawa ng paraan para makauwi. And sobrang helpful din ng mga Filipino community natin dyan kasi tulong-tulong talaga.
Kamusta yung reunion nyo? Kasi nag-travel sila by land.
By land, it's like an 8-hour drive. Alam mo, hindi ako makatulog. Tapos sinasabi ko, can you please, ano tawag doon, yung i-on yung tracking, yung live tracking. Sabi ko, so you know, my battery will get drained. And so, meron kang, hindi ka matahimik because it's night travel pa sila ng 8 hours. But, thank you, Lord. Like, we were reunited and everyone was safe. So, yeah.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Now, please pass the mic over to June Landin from Abante.